You mentioned that the China's 15th five-year plan, and also you mentioned all the new quality productive forces like the EVs, the clean energy, and also the advanced manufacturing. So how, like specifically, how can the Canadian business like share in these Chinese opportunities?
The two other sectors I think that are quite interesting, it's advanced manufacturing that you mentioned, and energy. In terms of advanced manufacturing, one sector that was mentioned is aviation, right? And I think Canada has been very good in that sector. We have a quite significant hub in Montreal in terms of aviation hub. There's going to be efforts also to collaborate more on that front. So Canada made it clear that we welcome investments in the energy sector. I think China and Canada are both very ambitious in terms of zero carbon emission in the upcoming years. So we think that there's going to be a lot of investments, research and development efforts done in that field as well. So I think that this is a sector of great strategic importance for both countries.